Hello guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm unboxing LG QHD 2K monitor. This is affordable monitor for editing where the colors will be accurate. So as you can see, here's the monitor stand and they have given the plate as well, and there's an option to hang it on the wall. I mean, if you'd like to, if you want a wall mount. And here they have given the DisplayPort cable, HDMI cable and Type C cable. Since this monitor supports the PD charging, you can literally charge your MacBook while connected to the monitor. So you don't have to separately connect the charging to the laptop. It will automatically charge your laptop if it's connected to the monitor. So that is the speciality of this monitor. As you can see, these are the ports. They have given two USB ports, one HDMI port, one display port and one type C port. And they have given the port for speakers as well. So these are the ports they have given. It's plenty of ports. And this is the wall mount. So if you would like to prefer the wall mount just like me, you can do it. Here's the wall mount stand. If you want to buy this stand, I will link it in the description so you can buy it. And I'm using a Mac Mini as my setup. So this is the Mac Mini setup which I'm using. If you have the laptop, you can use your laptop too, where it will charge your laptop, right? As I said, I cannot stress this enough how good feature it is, because whenever you are using the laptop, it will charge your laptop. Okay, when it comes to the display features, as I told, this is a 2K monitor. That means 2560 times 1440 pixels. It's a very crisp display. As you can see, the colors are very accurate. So the left you are seeing is my old monitor, which doesn't have that kind of good resolution. And the right display which you are seeing, this is the new LG monitor. So the right one is the new monitor and the left one is the old monitor. As you can see, the colors are so popping. I cannot explain how good the display is. Since you are watching it on the YouTube, maybe you will not be able to witness how good the display is. But if you see this in person, the display resolution is superb. The movie watching experience, and this is especially for the video editors. If you really want the color accurate display, this is the go-to display which you have to buy. And this is the review about LG QHD 2K monitor. If you want to buy this monitor, I will give all the links in the description, and I will give the link to the monitor stand as well. It supports the two monitors and even the laptop stand. So please subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.